Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And back at it today. Let's scan through these futures markets. And one of the things that I always look for in my radar screen is an extreme net percent change. So the two that jump out right away, oats. That's a serious green candle for you. So let's talk about this one. If you are an oats trader, I have never had a ton of luck trading oats. And as you can see, like recently, it's not looking so hot, just a lot of choppy mess. However, really strong showing today, burst out of the daily cloud. And if it continues, that will head up toward 361 and 6 eighths, followed by 364 and 5 eighths. Let's also take a look at Natty Gas because, man, 6% down. Yow. Okay, so in this case, we gapped down and essentially there was no looking back from there. In other words, there's no wick at all on the top of this thing. Gap down, opened lower, and we've basically just pushed lower since then. So next target on this guy, about 3.005, followed by some support back in here. So we're looking at 2.95-ish, 2.89-ish. Yeah, looking nasty on that one. Wanted to let you know too that the Apex 80% off sale is nearly complete. 1 day and 7 hours from this recording. That's basically tomorrow at midnight East Coast time. So if you need a new account, more accounts, whatever it is, 80% off is a pretty sweet deal. There's a link and coupon code down below for you. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.